This is Paranormal Short Session 7 by Keith Evans at the Digital Alarm Clock. I would like only one ghost or spirit from the Digital Alarm Clock to speak to me during this paranormal session, which probably won't last much longer than 20 minutes. Just one ghost or spirit from the digital alarm clock is allowed to speak to me so I can get a clear and correct message from that ghost and spirit. Tonight I would like to ask the question to that one ghost or spirit, what is your name? Today is Friday, the 18th of February, 2022. Turning on my Ovilus Vb.
Control, net, heaven, decompose, forward,
Control net
empty,
heaven.
faster, reservation.
Well, they just kind of blew me away as far as getting that many words.
Fine. Answer.
Look, one person can talk. I'm going to move away. I'm going to move away. You see, when I move away, I want to get, one word, 3. I did not get one name out of all those words. And since I backed away about, let's say at least 4 feet, the word stopped and I just got one word, 3. Probably console. Who are you consoling? Okay. Are you consoling 3 people? Now, I'm going to come forward, or at least close to the digital alarm clock, but I only want one ghost and or spirit to utilize the Ovilus Vb to communicate. My name is Keith Evans, and I'm going to be using this on social media. So I want the ghosts and spirits to be aware of that. And if they don't want to be on social media, then they do not have to participate. But I only want one ghost or spirit from the digital alarm clock to communicate. And my first question is, what is your name? My name is Keith Evans. Now I'm going to come closer to the digital alarm clock, but only one person is allowed to communicate with me. Again, what is your name? Right now on the screen I got the oldest word would be showing is probably Probably. And
Before time.
of course, Jess. Hello, Jess. You gave me your name. So you've been here before time. That's interesting. What did the number 3 stand for?
Work.
Jess is spelled Jess. Before time, it's 2 words. BEFORETIME, then work. And I got 2 more names, Jen and Rebecca. Rebecca spelled REBECA, 2 field. Nice to meet you, Jess and Rebecca. What are you mad about? 2 field. Mad. The only field that I've seen recently was I watched some of the Super Bowl. Are you mad about the outcome?
Wonder. Stretched. Portal. Happy. Poverty.
No, that's a lot of words. There's got to be more than one person talking. I'm going to back away. I'm going to back away. I'm backing away. See? I'm 4 feet away and the words stop. Just getting that many words, it's just impossible to evaluate that. So, we're going to try this again. I appreciate you giving me your name. I remember at least 2 of them, Jess and Rebecca. Thank you for giving me your names, and it's nice to meet you. Now, I'm going to approach the digital alarm clock one more time, and I just want one person, a different person, to give me their name. Okay, I got one word. I'm still 4 foot away. Carpet. Okay, there's no carpet that I'm standing on. Are you talking about the carpet in the 3rd floor apartment at the Hayes House in Apalachicola, Florida? Because there's no carpet in the place that I'm living now. Okay, see, when I'm 4 foot away from the alarm clock, I have received, each time I was away from the alarm clock by 4 feet, I only received one word. Okay, I'm going to approach the digital alarm clock, but I only want one person, a different person, to give me their name.
Beckon. Density.
Beckon and density, that's not your name.
Murder.
No. Who got murdered? You like to say the word murder, but who got murdered? Were you murdered? No, if you're just saying it for some chilling effect, it's not going to go over. This is about communication,
Pinkie.
not about frightening people. Hey, Pinkie. Pinkie, I remember you from Apalachicola as early as 2012. Gosh, I guess we've been staying in touch for close to 10 years now. That's a long time.
Rain.
Pinkie.
Great.
Pinkie, I have a question for you. Are you a cat? Yes or no, Pinkie, are you a cat? Somebody say that they think the rain is great. I guess if you have a garden, it'll cause your garden to grow. It'll make your grass grow and be green. Pinkie, if you're a cat, say meow.
Strength. Muscle. Set. Inform.
Hey, just one person should be talking. Just one person should be talking. I don't want to have to move away from the digital alarm clock. I'm about 6 inches from it. So I'd like to know another person's name. My name is Keith Evans.
Puddle. Molecules.
Well, that's not the name of a person.
Solstice. Guy. Betty.
Hey, Betty. My name is Keith Evans. Nice to meet you. Okay, can I get another name from a person who... Ever good? Okay. While you're being ever good, can I get another person's name who is connected with the digital alarm clock? My name is Keith Evans.
Maze.
Is that what the alarm clock is? Just a big maze for ghosts and spirits to hang out in?
Desk. Law.
Death and law.
Animal.
Animal.
Eggs.
Eggs.
Record.
Alright, I'm gonna back away.
Describe.
I'm gonna back away. Okay, I'm about 3 feet away when I got described. I'm getting what, 3 or 4 names, but I'm not getting any follow-up.